Welcome back to Prime MotorMax, your trusted place for honest bike reviews, detailed breakdowns, and the latest automotive updates. Today we are talking about a motorcycle that every Indian rider already trusts, but now it comes with more power, better performance, and a stronger road presence. Yes, we are discussing the all-new Hero Splendor Plus 150, a bike that combines the legendary reliability of the Splendor with the punch of a 150 cubic centimeters engine. The Splendor name has always been known for mileage, low maintenance, and everyday practicality. But many riders wanted more power for highways and long rides. Hero MotoCorp has finally answered that demand by introducing a bigger 150 cubic centimeters engine that produces strong power and smooth torque. This makes city riding effortless and highway cruising much more comfortable. Overtaking feels easier, acceleration is quicker, and the bike no longer feels underpowered with a pillion. When it comes to fuel efficiency, Hero never disappoints. Even with the bigger engine, the Splendor Plus 150 is expected to deliver around 55 to 60 km per liter, which is impressive for a 150 cubic centimeters motorcycle. This means you get both performance and savings at the same time, making it perfect for daily commuters and office riders. Talking about design, the bike keeps the classic Splendor identity but adds a modern and sporty touch. You get a stylish headlamp, bold tank graphics, alloy wheels, chrome elements, and a premium finish that makes the motorcycle look fresh and attractive. The seating position remains upright and comfortable, which is ideal for long rides and daily use. In terms of features, Hero has added useful technology like i3's start-stop system for better mileage, electric start, side stand engine cutoff, digital analog instrument cluster, and smooth suspension setup. The bike feels light, easy to handle, and perfect for traffic conditions.